Hello, and today I'll be showing you how to install your SwedeSource air filter on this S60R, which is mine. All you're going to need is a T25 Torx, and first you're just going to start by opening your hood. All you're going to do is grab your T25 Torx. This one's a little long, but it'll do. You're going to undo the 4 bolts on your airbox. You don't need to pull them all the way out. They will stay inside the lid. Take the lid off. Ooh, what the hell is this doing here? And you will grab your new filter. Look at that. Make sure you check inside and you'll find your sticker. You want this triangular shape. There's one on both ends. Pointed up. You're going to kind of come in onto your mass airflow sensor, get the top of the lip on there, and then kind of push down and to the left. Do that again. You're going to get that lip onto the MAF, and then you're going to push down, push in and down. Make sure that this is pointed straight up and that it'll match the notch that is on the bottom of the airbox right there. So again, get it on the mass airflow sensor, push it in and down, and make sure that it's fully seated. There you go. That does not move. It's nice and snug. There's no clamp required. It'll just be nice and snug just like that. Obviously, the factory recommends you put the cover back on, but you don't need to. Just for the sake of the video, I'm going to do it. Make sure you get all your screws lined up. And you're good to go. I'm going to take this off just so I can make a little noise. Let's start this baby up. There you have it.